Joining us now from Philadelphia is Amanda Knox's U.S. Attorney, Theodore Simon. Mr. Simon, good morning to you.
Good morning.
I know you've been in touch with the Knox family. How is the family doing? How optimistic are family members?
Yes, I have been in touch constantly with the family, and as you know, this has been a 4-year nightmarish marathon, but the family has rallied. They showed incredible resilience. We've maintained a certain cautious optimism, but to be candid, I think there's a greater emphasis now on the optimism side, and there's good reason to believe so, because just as your report indicated, with respect to this appeal, every aspect of the case, every fact that has been re-examined and appears to be redetermined has fell completely, squarely on the side of Amanda. So we remain very hopeful, as does the family.
Let's talk about Amanda Knox's appeal to the court, which she will make on Monday, a personal appeal. What do you expect her to say?
The expectation is she will deliver a heartfelt, impassioned plea, first giving her sincere condolences, providing her sincere condolences for the loss of Meredith and to her family, but at the same time explain very clearly and very factually why this has been a monumental wrongful conviction.
In closing arguments, prosecutors spoke of Amanda and her ex-boyfriend by saying, quote, "They killed for no reason, and for this they should be given the maximum sentence, which luckily in Italy is not the death sentence." When you hear something like that, again, having been this family attorney for a while, what goes through your mind?
Well, I think it's just one more attempt at overreaching. It's an unjustified attempt to vilify Amanda. We know at trial the prosecution had a constant, ever-changing theories of motive, none of which were ever proven. And finally, after each one, whether it was satanic ritual or sex game gone wild or vengeance or theft, whatever it was that was never proved, they ultimately had to admit there was no motive. And then ultimately they said, well, if there is no motive, it should cause a greater sentence. You know, we realize the lack of basis for that, and we know it was expected, but we hope it falls on deaf ears and the court actually evaluates the profound absence of evidence and renders a verdict that will return Amanda home.
Mr. Simon, if Amanda's conviction is overturned, do you expect her to return to Seattle immediately? And what kind of life do you expect she'll have?
Yes, all of these things have been carefully considered by the family and Amanda, and I think we are all focused on Monday and the jury's verdict. Once that happens, and we're certainly hopeful and prayerful that it'll be the right result, I mean, when the story is ultimately told about the constant, unwavering support and devotion of this family, you can really see why they're deserving of our support, our admiration, and our prayers. And let's hope for the best.
Theodore Simon joining us from Philadelphia today. Thank you very much. We appreciate it.